Seniors housing provides three things to investors. First, it provides a steady income stream for investors, so that there's an ongoing income component to investing in the sector. Second, it's a sector that we've seen is resilient to some degree to the economic cycles. So it's it's an investment that may not be completely cyclical, which would be a positive for investors. And third, it's shown that it generates really strong, solid returns. Using the NIC MAP database, we've seen that the return performance is almost twice that of the other property types. I like to think of the sort of maturity of the seniors housing sector as an investment opportunity for institutional investors, similar to where multifamily was, we'll say 20 or 30 years ago. And initially, multifamily was not considered an institutional asset investment class because of some of the perceived risks in the sector. There was risks or perception that there could be headline risks for investing in multifamily, and that simply didn't pan out. So if I go back to the late 70s, NACREIF, which is the organization that tracks the return performance of commercial real estate, was not really tracking multifamily. It was only a few units that they were really tracking. Today, it's one of the dominant investment types for investors and for what NACREIF is tracking. Seniors housing today is almost like multifamily was in terms of the perception of the risks associated with the sector, or the understanding of the sector is not as clear today as it could be. And that's one of the things that NIC is working on, is to try to increase the understanding and the make sure that people understand what the opportunities as well as the risks are for the sector, to try to enhance the investment opportunities for investors for seniors housing.